Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A. A for apple. B for ball. A to H. Let's learn colors name. Pink, brown, green, black, red, blue, purple, light green, orange color. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A for apple. This is letter A in red color. Kids, we are tracing letter B. B for ball. B in blue color. Kids, now we are tracing letter C. C for cat. C in pink color. Kids, this is letter D. D for duck. D in green color. This is letter E. E for elephant. E in orange color. Kids, this is letter F. F for fan. F in green color. Kids, this is letter G. G for God. G in yellow color. Kids, this is letter H. H for horse. H in purple color. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse.